Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Before we starting our subject, recite Durood Pak 3 times with your sweetly tongue. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim. اللهم صل على سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا ومولانا محمد وبارك وسلم اللهم صل على سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا ومولانا محمد وبارك وسلم. The Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam said, recitation of the Durood Sharif upon me is noor for you on the bridge of Sirat. The one who recite the Durood Sharif 80 times on the Friday, his 80-year sin will be forgiven. So read again. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim. Our subject is today's Pul Sirat. Once a slave girl of Sayyidina Umar bin Abdul Aziz Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu came to him and said, I had a dream that the hellfire was blazed up and the bridge of Sirat was placed over it. The caliphs were brought. First, Abdul Malik bin Marwan was ordered to cross the bridge of Sirat. He climbed on to the bridge, but alas, he fell into the hellfire. Then his son Walid bin Abdul Malik was brought, but he too fell into the hellfire. Thirdly, Sulaiman bin Abdul Malik was brought, and like the precious caliph, he also fell into the hellfire. Finally, O leader of the Muslim, you were brought. As soon as Sayyidina Umar bin Abdul Aziz Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu heard this, he screamed fearfully and collapsed. The slave girl went on to say, O leader of the Muslim, please listen to me. By Allah Azza wa Jal, I saw that you successfully crossed the bridge of Sirat, but Sayyidina Umar bin Abdul Aziz Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu had fallen unconscious due to the fears of the bridge of Sirat and was writhing around his panic. May Allah Azza wa Jal shower His mercy upon him and forgive us for their sake. Our negligence. Dear Islamic brother and sisters, even though by Sirah the dream of a non-prophet is not a proof, but still Sayyidina Umar bin Abdul Aziz Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu became unconscious as he was highly sensitive and fearful regarding the matter of crossing the bridge of Sirat. Indeed, the matter of the bridge of Sirat is very critical and severe. It is finer than even a strand of hair, sharper than even the edge of sword, and is placed above the hellfire. By Allah Azza wa Jal, crossing bridge of Sirat will be very crucial and alarming matter which everyone will have to confront. We asking, pray Allah forgive us and blessed on the day of judgment. In last again, recite 3 times the Durood Pak. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim. اللہم صلی علی سیدنا و مولانا محمد وعلی آل سیدنا و مولانا محمد وبارک وسلم. اللہم صلی علی سیدنا و مولانا محمد وعلی آل سیدنا و مولانا محمد وبارک وسلم. جزاکم اللہ خیرا.